The question is, what volume of 0.4216 molar NaOH is required to neutralize 258.2 ml of 0.1584 molar H2SO4. So NaOH is a strong base and H2SO4 is a strong acid. Here the base is neutralized with an acid and the concentration of base is given, while for acid concentration as well as volume is given. So we need to calculate the volume of base which is required to neutralize. So for these types of questions, we use the formula, that is concentration is equal to number of moles upon volume in liters. So for this question, we will first write the reaction between NaOH and H2SO4. So the reaction between NaOH and H2SO4 is NaOH plus H2SO4 gives water plus Na2SO4, and we need to balance this reaction. So on balancing we get 2 moles of NaOH and on the product side we get 2 moles of water. Now first we need to calculate the number of moles for H2SO4, right? So for H2SO4 we have the volume which is in ml, so we will convert it into liters. So it is 258.2 ml. So on converting it in liters, it will become 0.2582 liters, and the concentration is 0.1584 molar. Now we will calculate the number of moles for this. So number of moles will be equal to, from this formula, it will be equal to molarity multiplied by volume in liters. So we will put the values here. So molarity is 0.1584 molar multiplied by volume is 0.2582. So on calculating this, we get the answer as 0.0409 moles. Right? Now we know the moles of H2SO4. Now from this reaction, we know that for 1 mole of H2SO4, 2 moles of NaOH is required. So from here we can say that NaOH will be required as N is equal to 2 multiplied by 0.0409. So on calculating this, we get 0.0818 moles. Now for NaOH, we know the number of moles, we know the molarity also. So molarity from the question is 0.4216 molar. Now we can calculate the volume. Volume will be equal to, so from this formula again, we will calculate the volume. So volume will be equal to number of moles upon molarity. So number of moles we have 0.0818 moles, upon molarity we have, that is 0.4216 molar, and on calculating this we get the answer as 0.194 liter, or you can say 194 ml. So this is the answer. So this much volume of NaOH is required to neutralize this H2SO.